Hey there, friends. Happy Monday. Hope you're doing well. Figured I'd pop on and share with you what I'm going to be doing today as my midday smoothie. It's kind of like a lunch, it's kind of like a snack. The way I'm going to be making it up, it's going to be almost like a meal replacer. So you'll see why in just a moment. I wanted to make something that's kind of a classic. I love doing chocolate almond banana smoothies, but I wanted to put a little bit of a twist on it, so I'm going to add a little bit of a berry type action to it. So I'll just go ahead and get you started. So we start off with a banana. Hey there, good to see you. So I'm going to start off with a banana, and I love to use bananas in my smoothies just because it really helps with the texture and the flavor. I love that it's really high in potassium. It's a great way to be energized, and it's a wonderful way, honestly, to start any part of the day. Hey there, Sharon, good to see you. So I've got my banana in here. If I'd really had this planned out ahead of time, I'd have my bananas frozen and cut into little slices, and it adds to the thickness and the creaminess of the smoothie, which is always awesome. So I've got my bananas going, and then I'm going to put in some ice. Like I said, if I had frozen bananas, I would have taken care of it that way. I like to just have my preloaded ice tray. I use about 6 cubes. It is cold outside. It is raining. I'm still making something cold and delicious, so it all works out. How you guys doing over there? Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, thank you, love. Thank you. Yeah, so the kiddos are doing well. Hey, girl, how you doing? The kiddos are doing well. C was feeling a little bit under the weather this morning, but we were able to diffuse some items, get some tummy dries on her feet, and she's good to go, so it's awesome. So I also do almonds. I'm not really exact on this. I just do 2 handfuls. So it's probably about, I'd say maybe about 1/4 of a cup of almonds. And this is one of the ways that I like to add some protein and a boost to my smoothies. There we go. And this was my go-to, especially when I was pregnant, of doing almonds and then protein powder to my smoothies. So that way I could start off the day with, oh my goodness, I think when I was pregnant, I was wanting to start off the day with about 30 grams of protein, which I know seems crazy high, but it's really helpful for mommy and baby as everybody's growing to have that protein base. And of course to have lots of fruits and veggies along with, which was a natural anyway. So got those in, and then I'm going to be I use a vegan protein powder. Just because I know how dairy sits on our systems, and it's just better to go without. So I'm just going to plop that in there. I like Vega. I like Orgain. Young Living at this point doesn't have a vegan protein powder, but that would be part of my open letter to say, hey, you guys, it'd be awesome. But in the meantime, I use this, and it's a pea-based protein, which is super, super good. So if you're interested, that's Orgain. I think right now, if you're a Costco member, it's on sale. So snatch up a few. Super good. They have vanilla and they have chocolate. We really like to use chocolate, of course, for this. And then for my berry portion, I'm going to be using some of the last remnants of what I have of my Ningxia Red. It is a collection of berries that's in here. So we've got pomegranate, we've got blueberries, we've got also sweet cherries and aronia. Y'all are having so much fun. And it also has wolfberries as well. So this is something that I love to drink just straight up. Or I'll do a drop of Red Shot or Lemon Vitality. But today, since we just hit the ground running and I didn't have it this morning, so I'm going to pop it in here. So, nope, there it goes. So it'll give it a nice little berry edge, which should be super tasty. And then from there, I add in some almond milk. Once upon a time, we made almond milk. That was before I realized just how busy little boys can be. And we're still adjusting. So in the meantime, we buy it, and it's awesome. So I've got my milk. And that's right, quick note with almond milk. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay, quick note with almond milk. Making sure to get unsweetened. You always want to make sure to get unsweetened. Super, super important. Hey, Gavita. And then when you're looking at Ningxia Red, you want to make sure that you're getting it straight through Young Living, so you're not getting some sort of reprocessed product. I mean, it's just, people do all sorts of really horrible things to make money. We don't need to do that. So yeah, great. It has a lot of protein actually in it, in terms of with the wolfberries, and it's a really great way to just be energized for the morning. So we've got that all in here. Boom. All right, so I'm gonna blend this. Cover your ears. It's so good. Cool. So we use a Ningxia. We use, not a Ninja. We use a Vitamix just because it's a really great blender. Breaks stuff down super fast. I can throw in things basically whole and it takes care of it. And yeah, girl, we'll totally get you hooked up. So yeah, so here is my final smooth blended chocolate banana berry smoothie. And with the powder that was in there, with the Ningxia Red, and with the bananas and the almonds, this should be actually about 26 to 28 grams of protein. Wait, I didn't use a full scoop, so it's probably closer to about 20. So 17 to 20 grams of protein. So if you're looking for a great protein boost, great way to do it.
Tastes good.
Oh my god.
Mommy.
Yummy.
Mommy, we
yes.
have a place for the Valentine party open.
Oh, you have a place for the Valentine party? Thank you very much. We'll get that going. So I'm going to scoop out, I'm going to pour some of this into my little people's cups and let them have this as their after lunch dessert treat. So they've had their soup, they've had their toast with cinnamon, and now we're going to have some of this and enjoy it together. So have a great rest of the day and can't wait to chat with you later. Bye.